Do you wake up already exhausted? The day hasn't even started, yet your mind is racing? Such foggy and overwhelmed feelings signal that your brain is stuck in stress mode and it's quietly draining you. Here are some quick methods to reset your brain in less than a minute. Ground yourself in the present. Name 5 things you see, 4 you can touch, and 3 you hear. This immediately interrupts the stress trap. Then inhale 2 times through your nose. Hold for 1 second. Slowly exhale through your mouth. According to Stanford researchers, this is the fastest way to calm your nervous system. Finally, do one small physical task. You can make your bed, water a plant, declutter any space, or any one task of your choice. Small accomplishments rebuild your brain's sense of control. You don't need perfection. You just need to reset and restart.